What do you want to buy you in Korea? You want Lisa to buy you something? A cookie? You want a cookie?
Hello everyone, good morning! Today is Thursday, February 14th. I'm way off on my days right now because in America, where I was literally yesterday, it's still the 13th. So anyway, happy Valentine's Day everyone. I hope you're having an awesome day. I thought I would start off this morning with an Airbnb tour for you guys. So yeah, let's just kind of hop right into that. This is my room. You come up this hallway and here we are. It has a nice little deadbolt lock for you guys, for those of you who are like nervous. Pretty sturdy and secure. And then also it has this little guy right here, so at night what I did is I just locked it up and put this on just for extra security. If I can get it on there. There we go. So this is my room. So it comes with a queen size bed. The bed is pretty rock hard. But these pillows are very nice, and what I just did is I laid over in this corner right here, as you saw from this morning, and I just folded the duvet and the blanket and the quilt like all over me and just wrapped up in a little burrito over there, and it was pretty comfy, and this duvet is amazing, very warm and comfy. Over here is the little desk area with a mirror. This light provides pretty good lighting, so it helps when I did like my skincare and my makeup. This little chair comes out right here and you can just sit right here and do your things. It also has this really nice little hangy thing with a few hangers. There's more hangers out back in the community area, which I will show y'all that later. It comes with a blow dryer, a TV, and it comes with this power strip and this adapter, which I think would have worked for me, but I brought my own adapter anyway, so I just set up my own little power strip here. That is a pro tip for you guys who are traveling in other countries. Bring a power strip, bring an adapter, and you should be set. So yeah, I just have my little charging station over here. This is something else that comes here, but I'm not going to put anything in it because honestly I'll totally forget. This is what was in my backpack during the flight, but I took it out so that I can do some exploring and buy some things and put it in there. Here is all of my luggage, which takes up most of the rest of my free room, but let's be honest, I'm not here to stay in the Airbnb all day. So this is my bathroom. Comes with a little bath rug and these little slippers for you guys, because in South Korea, this is the general setup of pretty much most of the bathrooms. Is you have your toilet, your sink, and your shower all in one. So you wear your slippers in there in case you're wearing socks or whatever, so it doesn't get your feet wet after your shower. But yeah, so you just come in here and you turn this on, right? And then to turn the shower on, you just turn this knob. I just really don't want to get my camera wet right now, so yeah. And that is that. So let's head on out and I will show you guys kind of the rest of the area aside from my room. Alright, so you walk out and here's the hallway. There's a lot of communal stuff here, so like a heater if you need it. Here is where you can put your waste and trash and stuff like that. There's also extra blankets and towels and things like that if you happen to need them. It's kind of come as you go. Over here is another communal area. So basically just all of these things if you need them. I'm loving these books right here. I think you can put one in and take one out if you need it, or just like leave it for other travelers. There's toilet paper. There's also soap and toothbrushes and extra little slippers if you need them, as well as shampoo and like Lysol and soap and all those things. So yeah, and other hangers. Over here is where you put your towels, and there's a laundry room as well. You do have to pay 3,000 won ahead of time, but I just love that there's the option to have your laundry done. Over here, there's also sheets and blankets and pillows and stuff like that if you happen to need extras. Not gonna lie, that was the second time I did that because I forgot to press record the first time. All throughout the hostel or Airbnb, there's these little maps and stuff, which I think is super awesome. I already took pictures of like all of them. So yeah, let's go head out into Seoul. I can feel the cold air coming up and it's freezing. So this is the name of the Airbnb that I am staying at. It's super awesome, loving it so far. And all along the walls as you come in, they have these guys. Just Polaroid pictures of a bunch of their guests who have stayed here before. And I just think that's so cool. I love it. Umbrellas if you need it. People who have stayed and left some of their currency, which I think is so cool. Just a bunch of signs. Over here they have restaurant suggestions that you can go to that you might like. And then they have all of this information over here for you, for travelers, which I think is awesome. Again, more maps. And this is this floor's little communal area. Bunch of flyers and brochures and things that you need. And over here is the kind of kitchenette area, which is just literally so awesome. So they have just bowls, plates, pans, mugs, like just all this stuff that you can use if you need it. Pans, pots, spices. Under here is where you do all of the trash and separation of things. A burner, toaster oven, microwave, toaster. Over here they have coffee and water and tea and stuff like that, which you're free to use. I had one of these this morning and it was so stinking good. It's like coffee, but like more of a latte kind of flavor. Over here also you can put your food in the fridge if you want to. You just label it with one of these little labels right here and stick it in there with the basket. So yeah, so far I am liking it here. So I'm gonna do some reading up on the bus and transportation system thing just to get a refresher, and then I'm gonna head out.